ocean hums a soft refrain, a song of love through joy and pain. I build my dreams from waves and sand, a home of light where I can stand.